sounds even better when you put it up against your ear, but this is really all I'm doing. And when I say put it up against your ear, I mean literally against your ear. Touching your head. Oh, and it does only work with metal slinkies.